Hey everybody, here we have the Hobart EcoMax little glass washer, and the complaint is that the buttons are getting hard to press. Now I know what the problem is already here because I fixed this a few times before, and how to tell if it's the problem is you can look at the lights and see if they're moving when you hit the button. The whole printed circuit board behind is moving. I will show you the issue in a second. Okay, here it is. So this is the control card. It's on the inside of the control panel, and if you see under here there is no support. No support. This one has remnants. That little piece there is the last bit of a rubber support. Now here is what it should look like, but I'm going to take those out too because they will be stuffed. These ones, they'll be all about to fall apart.